Okay, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to explain short what business model is, but on this channel you will find other videos where I explain it in details what it technically is. But if you're a music producer and you want to know how to earn money, it's important to understand this. That's technically it. If you understand how you can earn money, and if you understand how the customer work and what's your value proposition, it can give you idea, it can give you the basic knowledge that you need in order to get more customer or more money. That's technically it. I'm not going to explain everything or whatever. I'm just going to show you this will happen if you do this. That's technically it. And if you have a general idea, what you should do is make sure you have for every situation a business model and see which one works for you. When you know which one works for you, you know what you need to do in order to get more money. That's technically it. So in the upcoming videos, I will explain that, and then we're going to go into the legal part of it. That's technically it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Seriously, subscribe right now. I'm waiting. If you have questions about this, just go on the Discord, create a support ticket, and ask me a question about it. It's that simple. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Subscribe.